Today we are going to discuss about how to create a shape in Power BI. Okay, so for that we have option in Insert tab. So you can go to Insert tab, and here there is an buttons and shapes. So you can create whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to create some shape. There is a few shapes are reflecting here. You can create which shape you want. So for example, I'll choose this particular shape. Okay. So when we are creating a shape, the format properties of a shape will open. So when you are clicking outside, it will not reflect. When you are creating a shape only, the property settings will come. Okay. So here, you know, we have shape settings. The shape already we have selected here, or if you want to change that particular shape, you don't want the spill shape, so you want to change some rectangle, and you can change it here. And if you want pentagon shape, or you want oval shape, so whatever you want, you can change it here. We have multiple shapes: speech bubble and snippet tap, a rounded rectangle. Likewise, we have a right triangle. So likewise, we have multiple shapes, but when you are clicking the shape button, here we have few shapes only. So we don't have this much of shapes here. But when you are selecting this property, we have lot of shapes. So in this shape, you can change it whatever you want. And once you select it, then you can close the shape. Rotation. So this rotation, what it will do is, so only you want to rotate shape. So the shape only will rotate like this. So if you want to, so if you add some text also, if you want to rotate, you can use this text, and all you want to rotate, then you can rotate. So this rotation, you can rotate your shapes. So I don't want now. So I'll just click reset to default. And style, next property is style property. So this style, we can change the fill color. So in default, it is creating like a blue color, but now I want to change the shape color. Okay. So I want to change some color. Okay. And transparency, I don't want dark shaded, I want light shade. And similarly, if you want to add border, and you can add border. So border color, so see here, the blue border is already filled. If you want to change the color of the border, orange color border, now I can change the width of this particular border. You can reduce or increase the width. And if you want to adjust the transparency, we can do it like this. So this is border settings. In this style itself, we have multiple subcategories. One is a fill. In this, we can choose the background color, and another one is border. In this, you can change the border color and you can adjust the width. And third setting is text setting. So if you want to add inside, if you want to add some text, so for example, I'm going to analyze some city-wise data, city-wise performance. I can give the name like this. So see here, it was created here. and and if you want to change the font style, so you can use the same font for each and every places, then only it will look nice. And colors also, mostly one or two color shades, it will look nice. When you are creating multiple colors, it will feel like clumsy. So I'll increase the font size and make it bold. And font color, now it was in default, the font color is showing white. So I want to change this font color. Then I can go to this particular option, font color option. Now aligned in center, that's fine for me. And vertical alignment also fine for me. Padding size, everything is fine. So once it is finished, you can just click this arrow button, it will hide. Okay, fill completed, and border we have changed, and text also we have updated. So next one is shadow. So if you want to add some shadow, then you can click on, and if you want to add some shadow color, then you can add some shadow. And transparency adjustment, where you want to highlight the shadow, bottom right. So bottom and right color, the shadow was reflecting yellow color shadow. And if you want to change left hand side or center or bottom right or top right, wherever you want, you can able to adjust in this shadow tab. Okay, and this is shadow setting and glow setting. Similarly, we can change the glow color. If you want to change, give some glow, you can add this particular category. Okay, and if you don't want, you can just make it off. Okay, fine. So these are all, know, style settings. So once it is finished, you can hide this style. So next, this thing is action tab. This action settings, what it will do is, so for example, so as of now, we don't have a separate page. So I'm going to create one new page, is in the name of city. Okay, fine. City wise performance. For example, I'm going to display city wise performance in this particular page. City wise performance. Okay. Okay. Now this action tab, if I make it on, what it will happen here, there is a type, actually type. In this type, it is reflecting like you want to bookmark this page, and you want to drill through this page, you want to page navigation, question and answer, apply all slicer, clear all slicer. We have multiple options. So bookmark is nothing but we can store this in one place, and we can get this. Maybe in upcoming session we will discuss about bookmark and drill through and all. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use this page navigation. So when I'm clicking this shape, I want to jump on to the another page, the city wise performance page. So for that, I'm going to use this page navigation. So I'm selecting this page navigation. When I'm selecting this page navigation, automatically this destination pop-up will enable. So here, where you want to move the destination, when you are clicking this button, where you want to move, it will reflect. So far we have only two pages. One is page one and another one is city-wise performance. Maybe I'll just rename this page into home. Okay, home page. Okay, fine. So where you want to move, already we are in home page, so we can't able to move this destination. So we want to move some different page. So I want to jump on city-wise performance. Then I'm choosing this. So when you are choosing this, automatically one pop-up will come. This is call it as tooltip. Okay. Not only this, in Power BI, whatever visuals you are using, it will highlight the information about that particular thing. That is called it as tooltip. So it was already on mode. So when you are having a cursor, it will reflect like control plus click here to follow the link. Okay. Then what happened when I'm When I'm having a cursor, it will show control, click here to follow the link. You have to press control and click this particular shape. Then automatically it will move on to city-wise performance sheet. See here, we are in second sheet. I'm not using cursor to move here and there. Okay. I'm just clicking this. We have given a action tab to move on to city-wise performance sheet, right? So just you are clicking normal click, it will not work. So that's why the tooltip giving some hint. You have to press the control and you have to click this button. Then automatically it will move on to city-wise performance. Likewise, we can use page navigation. So without using directly, we are clicking the page, we can use this action tab, hyperlink creation. In Excel, we have option, right? Hyperlink creation. It is similar like this, but here we are creating a page navigation to moving to some different location. Press Control and click this button. It will jump onto another page. Thanks for watching.